heart of the Himalayas, the Kanchenjunga National Park unfolds its breathtaking landscape and mesmerizing allure. Inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2016, marking its cultural and historical significance, the park's integrity is maintained through its protected status under the Wildlife Protection Act. Established in 1977, Kanchenjunga National Park embodies steep valleys and snow-clad mountains, including the world's third highest peak, Mount Kanchenjunga. Lakes and glaciers like Zemo Glacier contribute to the park's grandeur and ecological significance.
It is a sanctuary for endemic, rare